What's up YouTube, this is a new tutorial on the DEKO channel. Before we start, don't forget to click on subscribe and the like and share this video anywhere. And if you want to work with me, I will put my accounts in the description. You can contact me on Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp. And if you want any kind of beats, I will let my beat stars in the description too. You can listen to every beats I made and you can get what you want. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you my new sample pack, and this sample pack about Xxxtentacion type samples. Okay, I will show you like 2 or 3 samples I made, and I will put the sample pack in the description. You can get it and you can make amazing beats on it. So let's listen. Okay, this is the sample. I will show this sample without any edits. It was a normal vocal with some guitar, okay, but I put some edits on it and I changed the whole wave, the whole song. That was like that. Back to December all the time. Back to December all the time. Okay, this is without any edits, just the sample and just a vocal with guitar. Okay, after that, let's listen. Okay, let's see what I did right here. First thing, I put the equalizer, raise up the high mid from here, and I removed some from the sub and a little from the bass like this. Back to December all the time. And this is what we got. Okay, after that, the C2 is a compressor of a filter Pro. Back to December all the time. Then I choose it. It's option. Back to December all the time. After that, some fresh air to make the sample fresh. Back to December all. And I raised up the high frequency and some of the mid. Back to December all the time. It's after. And some reverb. Back to December all the time. And a little cross beat. Like this shape. And I did the mix here on 60%. After that, sound equalizer to make it more clear and punchy. After that, some reverb at the end. And this is the result. Okay, let's get into the next project. And this is another sample. This is absolutely amazing. So when you get this sample back, you will find the all waves like this, the all samples. Okay, absolutely, you can get a lot of ideas with these samples. So yeah, I will put the link in the description. Hope you liked this video. So I'm DEKO from the DEKO channel. Peace.